In this video, I'll show you how you can make a modern looking, mobile responsive photography portfolio website with no coding knowledge or no prior experience making websites. If this video does help you out, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. So let's not waste any time, let's go to my computer and I'll show you step by step what you need to do. So the first thing you need to do is go and click on the link in the description, which will take you to this website here. This website is called Bluehost, and this is the website we're going to use to host and essentially build our website. For us to create a website and for us to get that website live on the internet, we need what's called web hosting. Now, there are many different web hosting companies out there, but I'm recommending Bluehost today because it's the easiest to use. They have 24/7 support, it's very cheap, it's less than $3.95 per month, and they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. And not only that, you also get a free domain name. If you're unsure on what Bluehost is and why you need Bluehost, it will be clear in a minute and I'll walk you through everything that you need to do. So click on the link in the description and click on Get Started, and then you can start to create your account on Bluehost. Now, Bluehost have different packages here. Now, if you just want a basic photography portfolio website, you can go with this one here at $3.95 per month. Or if you want unlimited websites and you want to create more than one website, you can go with the Plus package. But for the video, I'm just going to recommend the basic package with one website and 50 gigabytes of storage. So we can click here, select, and it's then going to take us to the next page. Here we can create our own domain. So if you've got a personal brand that you're trying to create, mine is Bradley Harrison, and I have the domain bradleyharrison.com. You can enter in the domain here, so I could type in a name, I'm going to type in some random letters. You can have here whatever name and then .com. So once you've done that, click next, and there we go, our domain is available here. Now we can go and enter in our personal information here, so first name, last name, and all of this personal information. Then what you can do is you can go to the account plan, and you can choose whether you want a 12-month plan, 24, 36-month plan. I just recommend the 12-month plan for starters, but if you know you want your website for a long time, it will work out cheaper if you go for like a 36-month plan. So once you've done that, you're going to get these for free, and they are going to try and upsell you some extras. The one I would recommend is the domain privacy. Basically, this is going to hide your personal information, your address, and everything else that can be associated with your website. It's just ideal to have this. I have this on all of my websites. I would uncheck both of these. So the only add-on that you're going for here is the domain privacy. That's going to bring the total here of a modern, fully responsive photography portfolio with a contact us page that you can host all of your work on for $83. This is the only thing we're going to need to pay for. We're not going to have to buy any themes or any plugins. Everything else after this is completely free. Once you've got to this total here, you can enter in your credit card number and the expiration date, and obviously pay for the hosting. So once you've paid for it, you're going to be taken to the next step. Now the next step is going to be just simply to create a password. This is simply going to be a password for your website. Just enter in a password that you can remember and just make sure you remember it. Then after that, Bluehost is going to try and get you to choose a theme for your website. Because you're following this tutorial, we don't need any specific theme. You can choose any theme, or you can just skip that step. Once you've done that, you're then going to be given some options here to log into WordPress, or you can just go to your Bluehost account. I just go to your Bluehost account so you can just see everything and know what the Bluehost interface looks like. Then after you've done that, you can then click log into WordPress. That's going to open up your website, and you should see the WordPress dashboard, which is what we're going to use to customize our website. So after you've clicked log into WordPress, you can obviously log in, and then you'll see this page here. This is the WordPress dashboard, and WordPress is the platform we're going to use to build our website. If you want to get back to this in the future, you can go to your website's domain, then /WP admin. You don't have to go through Bluehost at this point. Everything is all sorted on the back end. Now we can customize our website on the front end. Okay, so to view our website, you want to go up here, right click on visit site, and then click open in a new tab. And that's going to open your website here. It might look a bit weird to start with, but we're going to customize all of this, and we're going to walk you through how you can change this completely. So if you've never used WordPress before, stay with me here. You might have to watch this video 2 times to understand, or just watch it slowly and pause and play the video when you need to. So what you need to do is you need to go back to your WordPress dashboard. we need to go to plugins and you need to go to add new. We're basically going to install 3 different plugins here, which is going to allow us to upload our own photos and get the portfolio look that I showed you at the start of the video. So the first plugin we need to install here is a plugin called Full Width. So just type in Full Width and it should come up here. It's Full Width page by someone called Brainforce, I think. So this one here, just type in Full Width, all one word, and you're looking for this one, Full Width templates for any theme by Brainstorm Force. So we can install that now. What this plugin is going to do is it's basically going to have your images go across the whole page and not just like the middle of the page. So once you've installed it, click activate here, and that's all you need to do for that plugin. Then go back to add new, and we need to add 2 more plugins. The next one is Visual Portfolio, and we're looking here for this one here, Visual Portfolio Posts and Image Gallery by NK. So click install now, and then once this is installed here, we need to activate it. And then finally go to add new again, and one more plugin we need to download or install is Contact Me or Contact Form. So just type in contact here, go to Contact Form 7 by this guy here, then click install. And this form is going to allow us to add a Contact Us page so people can contact you about booking you for jobs. So now we've got all the plugins that we need, we can now start to build our website and upload our images. So the first thing you need to do is go to Pages, and it's going to open up the pages on your page. You can just delete all of these that are on here already. So just click trash. And I'm going to add a new page here. You want to call it home because this page is going to be your home page. It's going to be the page where all of your photos are going to be on here. So just call it home. Then if you go down to template here, this is thanks to the plugin that we've just installed. You want to choose this one here, Full Width, no sidebar. That's all you need to do on this page here. So click publish and then publish again. Now that's published, we can go back to the WordPress dashboard here. And now we can open up Visual Portfolio. So just hover over Visual Portfolio, then go to saved layouts. Then what we need to do is click on add new. And here we can create a new portfolio. We can add our images and we can customize the layout here. So when it opens up, don't give it a title, just click here on images under Visual Portfolio, then add images, and here you can choose files to upload to your portfolio. So go ahead and find some photos. I'm going to upload some now, and then I'll be back once I've done that. So for the example, I'm just going to upload 6 images here. So I'm going to hold shift and highlight all of these images, click select, and it's then going to put these images here in our Visual Portfolio editor. So here are the images here. Obviously, if you've got more than 6 images, you can just simply add as many as you want to. So if we scroll down here, we can change some settings about our editor. So right now, the file name is currently appearing when we hover over it. If you want this to happen, then that's fine. You can just leave it at default. You can even title your images with that in mind. But if you don't want any file name appearing, you can just go to custom and you can go to none. And then when you hover over it, no file name will appear. So there you go, no file name now appears. Description, we can click none on this, or you can again click if you want a custom description or if you want the image caption to be as the description. Then order by, I'm just going to have default, but you can order by the date that you uploaded. This is good if you keep uploading your portfolio. Then if you go to layout here, you can change the layout and add items that are fixed to the top and bottom. Again, I'm just going to keep it on default. Then if we go to item style here, you can change it if you want rounded corners. So once you've customized that however you want, I'm going to leave you to go through these settings here and customize it because people are going to want different things. Once you've done that, you want to come to shortcodes here and you need to copy this layout shortcode. And yeah, just copy it and then click publish on this page and then publish again. Then that post is going to be published. Now, if we go back to view posts here, we click on the WordPress icon, you can go to your pages. So let me just go to pages, go to all pages. And here you can go to edit on the home page. And what we want to do is put that shortcode in this text box here. So click paste. It should recognize that it's a shortcode, but if it doesn't, just remove the block and then try it again. So once you've done that, click on update. and it should update that page. Now we can just view that page and just make sure that everything's working. So there we go, that page is actually working. We've got our images shown here. So you can see that's a massive difference here from what our website was looking like just a minute ago. But we're not finished yet. We need to get rid of this. We need to change the title because yours won't say Bradley's Portfolio. We also need to add a Contact Us page and make this home page here the default page when you go to your website. So go back here onto your WordPress dashboard and yeah, we'll customize the rest of it. So what we need to do now is go to Appearance, just click on that and it's going to open up the Appearance tab, and then we can just go to Customize here. So in Customize here, it's pretty simple, but to walk you through it, you can click on this button here and you can change your site title. You can also remove the tagline if you don't want it, and you can see the tagline is going to disappear. You can also give your site here a favicon or a site icon. Once you've done that, you can go through the colors of your website and the theme options and things like that. But what you need to make sure that the homepage settings is on a static page, and you need to change this to home. This is going to make your portfolio page be the home page of your website. So there we go. So now we've done that, we can go back here, and that's pretty much all we need to do in the customize section. Now we can click on publish, and that's pretty much it. We can click the X. The final thing we have to do now is go to pages. We need to add a new page. We need to just add a Contact Us page. So if we just type in here Contact Us or Contact Me. So Contact Me, all you need to do here is publish this page, go to publish, and then just go to the WordPress icon here. Then because we've installed the plugin, the Contact Us plugin, we need to just find it somewhere. If you can't find it like me, just go to install plugins and we should see it here, contact form 7. So click on settings, it's then going to take you to the contact form. Now we can add a new contact form, and this is very easy. By default, it's going to require people to enter in their name, their email, a subject, and a full message, which is perfect for us. We can then just click on save, and there you go, there's your contact form. We can then go back, and what we need to do is copy the shortcode. And once we've copied this shortcode here, we can then go to pages, all pages, and you guessed it right, you need to go to the Contact Us page and you need to enter in that shortcode. So let me just do that now. Boom, enter in that, and for some reason it's recognized the shortcode this time. Click update, and that's pretty much all you've got to do. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up an incognito window. I'm going to go to my website. This is going straight to the website, and let's check it. So here we've got Bradley's Portfolio, we've got my work, we've got Contact Me, and we've got Home. And then if you go to Contact Me, it's going to take you to a Contact Me page, and people are going to be able to contact you through this form here, which will then be redirected to your email. So that's it guys, that's all we need to do. I hope this video did help you out. Please leave a like, please do subscribe, leave any comments if you've got any questions, and I'll see you all in the next one.